Tonight we are excited to open a box of peppers that we received from Clayton Hollingsworth. And pretty excited. So I know he has definitely sent us some pain.
Pretty confident in that one. Thanks.
Yes. So here's the box. I have opened it. So thank you, Clayton. We are very excited to dive into the peppers you gave us. I'm going to show this on the screen, but I haven't looked at it yet because I know there's a list of peppers on the back. So without looking at it, what we're going to do is open the box and basically we're just going to pick out a pepper that we both feel we should try, and then we'll tell you what it is when we pick it out. But we're not going to know until we pick it out. So
it's all going to be a treasure trove of heat. So
I'm wondering if we do maybe rock, paper, scissors.
Okay.
And you pick a color, I pick a color, and whoever wins, that's what color pepper we're going to do.
This is a lot of okay, fine. We'll do that.
All right.
Fine. This is a great idea.
All right. Pick a color.
Like any colors?
Well, any color that there would be peppers.
Fuchsia.
Is a fuchsia colored pepper?
I don't know. There could be. We don't know what's in the box.
All right. Pink.
It could be. There's pink peppers.
Maybe.
There's. All right.
Be serious.
I'm going to say.
So we'll say red, yellow, chocolate, white.
Chocolate's not a color, but. What about green? There's green peppers.
Okay. Red, yellow, chocolate, white, green.
Okay. Am I picking color first?
Yes, you can pick a color first.
Red. I know. I'm trying to get the roughest out of the way first.
Chocolate.
Damn it! What?
Ready?
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh. So we're doing a red pod.
That may have been the shortest game of rock, paper, scissors we ever played.
All right.
Oh. Dagnabbit.
These are some monster-looking pods.
There's nothing unpainful looking in this box.
That is a gorgeous box of peppers right there. Oh my goodness.
Packed full of amazing looking peppers. And they're all shiny and gorgeous. Oh my goodness.
That's packed with pain.
It is. That's a lot of hurt coming our way.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the red peppers.
I don't know what this is, but oh no. Please tell me.
Well,
this is not what I think it is.
All right. So we have 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6, 8, and 10. Pick a number 2, 5, 6, 8, or 10. Now, mind you, some are doubles and some aren't. So if you pick the right number, we're only doing half. If you pick the wrong number, we're doing a full.
I hate to tell you that I saw the number on the one I picked up. I was dazzled by the size of this monstrosity that was in this box, but I did see the number. And I hate to say I'm going to pick it because I'd be letting ourselves down if I didn't.
All right.
It's going to be number 2.
How did I know?
They're like balloons. They're like little, like hot air. Oh, sorry. They're like hot air balloons of heat.
This may be our last broadcast.
Yeah, we've said that several times, but honestly, this could be the one.
They're huge. They're absolutely huge.
There's a lot of weight in these peppers.
So let's see what number 2 is. I'm only going to guess that is a red warthog. Number 2, warthog.
No!
We've had our own that were very small and they killed us. We had some that we grew that were bigger that killed us. Then we had some pretty monster warthogs from Jason Capsaicin. They killed us. So why not get killed one more time?
Why not? It's the weekend.
These are absolutely beautiful pods, Clayton. Thank you so much.
I'm panic sweating right now, honestly.
You
Okay,
always pick the same
I know.
hand.
But there's only 2.
I know.
Dang it.
You picked the bigger one. I knew she was going to pick that one. That's why I put it in my left. We know these are filled with pain and love, of course.
Yeah. Obviously, it looks like it's just gonna love up my face here. This is a monstrosity. Seriously, this thing is huge. So the warthogs we had in our other videos were that we didn't grow also were massive. These are absolutely enormous. Our peppers didn't come out this big. Ours literally were tiny, tiny, tiny berry size, still packed a ton of heat. These are, oh my.
This thing, honestly, like, I know it doesn't do it any justice on camera,
no.
but it's like a cup of tea.
I don't know what to do here right now. I'm literally like already in panic mode. I haven't eaten the damn pepper, so.
Yeah. I mean, I'm just trying to figure out how to do it because it's so big.
I mean, they're gorgeous.
Yeah.
Gorgeous peppers.
That's like half the size of my hand.
You know what? I'm not even going to say anything else. We got to just do this.
Yeah. I mean, we'll post Clayton's information. You can send him an email and get some of these for yourself. Cheers.
The flavor hits first with these peppers, and then heat starts to come on. And it's a mild heat at first. And then it comes like full on force.
So again, it was very fruity.
Delicious.
Then it got real bitter. This wine did.
Yeah. Yep. Well, I didn't get any seeds yet, but of the skin, delicious, delicious pepper. It's not gonna get better if I don't eat it, so.
I know.
It's almost worse knowing what you're in for, you know?
Definitely had that. So it's a bitter flavor. Like the ending flavor is bitter, and I just do not like that bitter flavor. So it's hard to eat that second bite knowing what it's going to taste like.
I'm not even getting bitterness, but again, I didn't have any seeds. I literally just hit the
but
front
the
part
heat
of the pepper.
instantly just went up.
Heat's getting worse as I'm sitting here.
Yeah.
Way worse.
And I don't mind the heat. I don't. It's the flavor. Like, it's hard to eat the second part knowing that flavor. And the size of these, it's almost like eating 2 peppers. I mean, I feel like I ate a whole pepper already because my mouth is on fire.
It really is. My eyes are already watering. My throat is really bad right now. I need to calm down because I'm already like, I'm scaring myself with this pepper because I know how intense they are.
Yeah. It's brutal.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if it was just too hot to taste the bitterness, but that second bite didn't have much bitterness in it. But that heat's right in my throat.
It's everywhere. It's in the back of my throat, like in my throat. And my eyes are already watering and my nose is running.
Oh, absolutely.
All right, I gotta calm down because I'm like.
Definitely have my pain up to like a 6 already.
Hmm.
30 seconds in. Got tears.
Oh.
Sweating. My eyes are just pouring with water right now, too.
Oh.
Wow.
It's only gonna build from here.
I know. That's a scary part because it's hot. I already feel it in my stomach.
This isn't fun. I don't like this one.
It's a brutal pepper, Clayton. Still climbing. Probably at like a 7. It's all in my throat.
Yeah.
Probably not going to do much talking here.
My mouth is burning really bad. I'm really, really bad. It's okay.
2 minutes in.
All right, starting to level off a little. Like,
There's one nasty burn.
it is horrible.
My eyes just won't stop.
God, no.
It's starting to get a little lightheaded.
Yeah. I'm really, really bad. Sorry. It's gross.
Whew, calm. Two and a half minutes in.
All right.
That's a hot pepper right there.
My eyes are burning because I think on my napkin I had some capsaicin. It's all right, though. It's going to be okay. It's all going to end.
3 minutes in, very lightheaded.
Oh. Oh, this is brutal.
I think I finally felt the first little dip, not much. Still a good flavor in my mouth.
I just feel pain. I don't like that. I don't like this at all.
Wow, Clayton, that's a hot pepper.
Oh my God, it's insane.
3.5 minutes.
All right.
Still riding high.
Oh. Oh my God.
Just about 4 minutes.
All right, we're getting there now.
It's a rough one.
If we're at 4 minutes, means we're nearing the end somehow, some way. I can't see because my eyes are burning. I got capsaicin in my eyes. Oh no. I can't.
A little dip. 4.5 minutes. My stomach's burning already.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Definitely rough.
Oh. Okay. Oh.
5 minutes in, I still feel like I have a lump of coal in my throat, but
Yeah. I can't weigh down.
I feel like a little endorphin rush kind of I knocked it down a little bit, but
Oh my god. Oh my god.
definitely a serious burn.
Oh, it was awful.
If you want the heat, this is where to get it.
I don't even know what just happened. I have paper towels strewn everywhere. This is a nightmare. The pepper.
Again, we're going to post Clayton's information in the description.
Oh.
Just about 6 minutes in now, and it's
My eyes are still burning. I definitely rubbed my eyes and got oils in it. I'm probably going to throw up soon. Probably. I feel okay right now.
this actually may get me too. I mean, I'm on my way down heat-wise, but
Me too.
my
But-
stomach's on fire.
I think it's going to hit my stomach and I'm going to be done. So. Oh. Tears fell out of my face.
Again, if you want the heat, check out Clayton. We'll post a link down below.
Thank you, Clayton.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Thank you very much. I'm a mess. I gotta shut this off because I can't do this anymore.
All right.
This ruined me.
Till next time.
Bye.
Bye.